Gentlemen in the mix.
Can devs do something?
Solid base. And if it's going to stand the test of time, you gotta dig real deep. The solid base. No amount of fancy paint gonna keep it from blowing away.
Hey, hello. Wow, what's happening, man? Okay. Okay, dude. Okay, Sam. Maximum Rees. Sorry, I was memeing earlier. Maximum Rees. Yeah, so FTT's down like 20%. Broke support. The support that looked like it was gonna break, and we had looked at this, what, a couple days ago, like 2 days ago, 2 streams ago, and it was this is what it looked like was probably gonna happen, and it's finally happened. So who could have seen this coming? The only problem is what this break of support is caused the entire crypto market to roll over. This started dumping, and then Bitcoin started dumping after FTT started collapsing and crashing, and there is no formal support. I don't care what you say. There's no support for a long way. Like $5 area, maybe. Maybe $10 to be really polite and nice, not to hurt anyone's feelings. Maybe $10. There's just nothing here, man. Everything's dumping. If you didn't know, everything but YFII is dumping. Somehow YFII is up on the day. DGB's up on the day, 2%. DGB? The key to the city. Just kidding. Hex is dumping? Alright, Hex said it. Oh, let's look at Hex. What? Oh, no. Oh, no, dude. Yeah, Hex saw 2 cents. This didn't work out, did it? Just a lower high. Hey, man. It's never, you know, it broke resistance and then fell back below it, and now it's, wow, crashed. Hey, 2 cents, though. Inflection point. And after that, it's 1.4 cents. And then after that, everyone that's a toxic Hex cult member, they have to come and apologize for being so toxic, right? When we get to these levels. Yeah. So, good luck, Hex. Down 8.6%. What's down worse? What is the worst down? Besides Hex and FTT. Matic. Well. So a bearish engulfing candle. You know, you got like 19 hours, 35 minutes till it's confirmed, but that's pretty bad. Down 11%, right? The old inflection point is an inflection point again. It is resistance. Yeah, nasty.
No amount of fancy paint gonna keep it from blowing away.
So 98 cents if this is real life for a back test, but that's not a big deal. GRT's down almost 10%. Uh-oh, we got a bloodbath. Oh no. So what was once 10 cents on GRT, here it is. You know what 10 cents is, right? That's the December 2020
Hey
low.
Richie, forget Hex, DG Byte, and Bitcoin. It is now the time for Pulse Malone Doge token chain coin to shine.
We shall rise. Yeah, dude. This community has been a front for Post Malone Doge Chain Coin for 5 years now, and as of tonight, it is confirmed it was a front. Everyone in here is now a Pulse Malone Doge Chain Coin owner or something, right? Is that how it works? Thanks, man. I guess we can go to it soon. We'll get to it at some point. Just hang tight. This is not a regular stream. This is like, oh wow, we're crashing. Like crypto's holding on to 19,650, which is your highest daily candle close of all time in 2017. Cycle top candle close. You tested that. You're above it by $50 right now. And below that, right, cautiously optimistic because, well, FTT's got to be a scam and Friedman, hyphenated name, has to be a loser that's going to drive the whole market down, and CZ and the war, and with these guys, oh God, just, of course, oh, midterms and we got a lunar eclipse in 10 hours or something, and it's a full moon, and is there anything else? We should just get the composite operator on the stream, because I mean that's legit what's happening. You're controlling the weather and the lunar cycles and Bitcoin's price, I guess, right? What's up, Chaylin?
You really don't need to look at it. I just like to see a smile on your face, lol, for the memes.
Do you like my smile during these thunderstorms? And this rain, it's wet, you know. It's almost like me doing this is like too soon to myself, because this is legitimately what happened to my downstairs. What's happening here? So, too soon? Yeah, I'm offended by myself, and I just realized how offended I am by myself. So messed up, dude. Can't believe I'd do that to myself. Okay, so GRT screwed. Who knows? I mean, maybe type 2. Oh, hey, maybe. Bitcoin recovers, okay. For now, the type 1, and maybe this was the reaction, and maybe we'll get a type 2, but oh my God, just hang tight, man. Hang tight. Oh, Doge, dude. Oh, Doge pretty cool in the end, right? Oh, pretty. Hey, man. It's a little bit of TA respect. Just a little bit. My God, man. Come on. I mean, measure moved way lower. That's like 8 cents probably. But nice. I mean, that's cool, right? You had a big run up on Doge. Doge was cool. It was going to secure the world. It was going to change lives and make people so happy. And then momentum shifted bearishly, and then a neckline was created, and then it broke the neckline, then bearishly back tested the neckline as resistance with a bearish engulfing candle, and then that was it. That was like legit it. And now look at you now, down almost 9% on the day. Where's your support, man? There is no support. Support's like 9 cents, so you gotta get another penny to drop. One popper penny. All right. Then we look at Solo. Yeah, we look at it in Discord. I mean, hey, probably see you at $20. Dude, is this a type 2 return? Is this it, man? Wow, I don't know. I'd like to ask Scott Carney what he thinks. This is the Type 2? Guess we'll see, but $20 isn't very far away, and that's like the real support, so just come on, man, do something.
That 12 hours bear still playing out, I guess. Guess I'm somewhat of a man myself now. Call me Egg.
That's right. That's right, that's the Green Goblin meme. Thank you for the memes. But then making the meme your own. Thank you, dude. Yeah, 12-hour bearish divergence on Bitcoin. God, and then it was just like, oh, the dumping started. And it's like, and 4-hour bearish divergence on SNX now. So get wrecked, everything in the world. Wow, nice job, Algo. What was once resistance, though, maybe is support for the first time. It's your first formal back test. The trend, nothing's reversed here yet. It's not over yet. It really isn't. Until the fat lady sings, support's holding for now, but let's just see how long that lasts if Bitcoin collapses. God, it's just any day now, Bitcoin could collapse because we're in a long-term bear trend. Oh, looks okay, man. And scam. Somewhere, scam. All right, you got storage here that had a nice run, and then here we go. Here we go, dude. Coming on back to 39 cents. Once that breaks, boom, 30 cents. But it's okay. I mean, it's not dead yet. Nothing's dead yet. I mean, except FTT is dead. Yeah, it's definitely dead. I mean, it's just disappointing, man. Disappointing. No liquidity. No one's buying. No one can buy enough until something bad happens, and then everyone's scared and gets out. Oh my God, H-bar. Kind of did it. Oh my God, it kind of did it, man. And we're like, why is this happening? Why is this developing? Oh, why do this? And then just made its low. Wow, H-bar. What a hot load of garbage, man. Lowest price since January 2021. Scam, man. Bring it to 3 cents then. Take us to 3 cents. I'm ready for it. Who's ready for 3 cent H-bar? And then we could probably still not buy. I mean, like, dude, things were okay. I mean, except this one was kind of trash. KSM, though, this was the one that was the worst. It wasn't even catching bids. Still going, man. This is like Stitch. This is like decentralized Stitch fix. You looked at that chart on stocks, yeah. All just about made fresh lows, lowest lows of the whole bear trend. Look at this. Look at this divergence. Do you know this could, like, in normal market conditions that aren't just pathetic loser? Oh, nope. It's over, dude. A scam's got to happen. And then we crash. This would reverse a trend. This would make an asset go up 30% over the course of weeks. But on KSM and these market conditions, it's KSM, bro. Nah, nothing. Nothing. 3 days. 3 days of green and then collapse. So 26.55 on this one. Sorry to everything, dude. Shiba, it was too strong, man. 1,000. Remember, like, you couldn't break it. You tried. We looked at it earlier today. You couldn't break the 200. You couldn't break the inflection point. The massive one. And so, all right, well, there's nothing really here till 1,000. So here we go. So look at these saxophones, man. Delay in the Powerball. What's up with that, dude? It's bad, man. It's like, all right, man. What about XRP? Oh, no. Well, here you are, testing the demand line of the neutral consolidation structure. Not looking good, dude. Not looking good at all. Could be coming for an 886 if this is real, man. Here we go, dude. How many times this year now have we been meeting on the same terms where things are real bad, man? Poor Chainlink. What happened to Chainlink, dude? It's still okay. Chainlink's okay. Wow. Nothing happened to Chainlink. It's completely fine. We just looked at H bar making its lowest lows of the entire bear trend, right? And then you're looking at Chainlink and I can't even tell anything happened, man. What, down 6%, is it? I guess so. It's fine. Above all supports, it's good. You got problems, though, on others, man. You want to see one that's real bad? Zcash? Oh, man. What was so miserable about this one was that it couldn't break. I had it like this, too. It was just screwing around. I couldn't do it. And then fell below the inflection zone and back tested it. And is now, these are daily charts. I mean, this is now a break, hook, and go. And if all stayed the same in a day, 19 hours... you'd be making the lowest daily candle close since Mother of God. May 29th, 2020? Lowest low of the... you've already achieved now the lowest price, intraday, lowest price of the entire downtrend on Zcash. Been going on a year. Not all cryptos are created equal at all. We just looked at Link. It's okay, man. It's down 6%, but look what it's doing. It's fine. And then this one, Zcash. So I'm getting the Jim Carrey gif of him like throwing up, you know. Dude, I gotta try to refresh the cache again. This is crazy. This chat box is on drugs, man. It's all methed out. What in the... oh no, man. This is so annoying. Not having anything. I got this, man. Alright, so get wrecked, Zcash. Get wrecked, chat. Just kidding. I'm just trying to get this thing, man. This is I guess, stream number 3 of the day. There it is. All right, here we go. Refreshing 1,000 times right there. Let's see what happens, man. If it's going to be all weird. Okay, 19682 on Bitcoin. We need to go back to it because we are on bearish breakdown watch, okay? Bearish breakdown watch, chat. Very bad. This level breaks. It's bad news. That's real bad right there. All right, why? Because you look left, man. Hey, I know this level. Remember, if you were around back in the day, December 2020, it was a resistance. But then you go back all the way, 2017, man, to the cent, 19650. You're right. You don't, dude. There's not much to do. 17K, 14 effing K, man. And then, I mean, it's not over yet, but dude, he's trying to do it. This is just not bull market behavior. God. It's just not. Right now. 1 minute chart, bro. Okay, dude, let's go to the 1 minute chart, bro. Here it is, man.
The eye of the hurricane. Feeder band down. Feeder band up.
Feeder band. Feeder band. Is that thing, man? That one kind of got past me a little bit. Eye of the hurricane, feeder band down. Are we in a ship or something? Is this boat terminology? No, Streamlabs is just broken, dude. Oh my God, chat. FTT alert going off. Why did it not beep? What's going on? All right, we got a continuation of the crash. We're down 23% now. Highest spike of volume in human history on this chart. Yeah, and it keeps coming in. We got insane selling pressure on FTT, and there's no support, and it's not even close to like $10, and that's kind of a joke anyway. It's like $4.50 or something's the
I
real
have
support.
memories of this place.
I do. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gandalf. We do have memories of this place, right? Because we've been here too many times this year. Wind pump stream. Wind spaceship pump stream. Why? Severe thunderstorm warning. Bearishly, right? Why? So much more fun when we're going up and in spaceships. Going to hyperdrive and then actually blowing up the Death Star. I don't know. I think things are too serious right now for line dancing, you know? Line dancing talk is in the back of everyone's mind right now. So it's like more so people are doing.
There's bears out here.
But also,
I like turtles.
let's look at total. Wow, man. Remember we were talking about that time? Remember that time? Oh, God. It was like, it came to me in a dream. Not really. It was, you know, just your eyeballs see things sometimes, and then it just happens, and then it gets brought up, and then that's it, you know? It's like, oh, that's what happened. Sorry, man. I gotta... Stream Deck's like legit broken, dude. Like, I looked it up. It's bad. They're so... Ugh. Hey, what's
TTBBC aka Chris tipped $25. Just because fiat is king right now. I don't want to tip you crypto because it's dropping so much. Cash is king today.
Well, I appreciate that. Wow, thank you so much for the very thoughtful 25 United States dollar contribution instead of crypto. Thanks, man. Yeah, it dumps, and then hey, if you sold it, it'd be like a fee, blah blah. And then the tax, short-term tax. Oh yeah, just fiat's great, man. Thanks, dude. Very thoughtful of you. Appreciate it, man. I think you would also appreciate this 886, man. It's all about the 886. Oh my God. Why must the 886 always be there, right? On the bottom and top. Yeah, I mean, like, how far... When's the dude gonna say uncle? I guess the market's gonna stop dumping as soon as he concedes defeat, right? Bullish 5-0, please. Oh God, it better be now. Look, the 200 moving average, at least on the 4 hour. You got that going for you. Look at that. Bullish 5-0, please. Please, God. All right. You are at the pattern completion zone of a potential 5-0, but dude, oh no, man. What's going on right now? So many bad things. So, like, is that seriously happening, like the Powerball? And you know, you kind of have the NASDAQ future starting to sell off some. It had not. I mean, they all are just a little bit. Just something to pay attention to. Nothing like the Bitcoin futures chart I'm looking at right next to it. It's completely different. Hey man, remember when crypto decoupled from equities for like a couple days positively, and then it stayed decoupled, and then tonight happened? Jeez. That's broken, man. I can go to the 618, the 5-0s can. Hold on. All right. Yeah, so cool story, bro. Cool story. Bitcoin's still just sitting there flirtatiously testing 19,650, well below 19,891.99. My God, man. What are we talking about? Honda Civics. What is going on? It's a different time of the hour. But we're keeping our eye on FTT. Maybe what we should do is just like, I don't know, maybe we just have like we just have FTT on this screen at all times, right? It's the FTT crash stream chart, and then we'll just look, you know, like this or something. Very similar, you would think, to like the Luna streams we were having, right? I mean, that thing got as low as it probably will ever go. I don't know how these things can actually go to zero all the way, but I don't even think BitConnect's at 0.00000. Like, it's just delisted from everything, but it exists somewhere.
Android tip $25. Good day, enjoy your work, champ. USD day today. Many cheers from South Oz. Thumbs up.
Mate. That's what about, mate. Thanks, dude. Yeah, it is. It's a good hour for the Aussies to be participating in the world of crypto, right? Because the sun's out and it's starting to get warmer out, but not too hot yet, maybe. Yeah, thanks, dude. We got a lot of Australians, man, that don't get to watch as much. But hey, 3 times today, so it's like, hey, it didn't matter where you were. At least if you were around the world today, you got to see me, right, live at some point, somewhere on some channel. What? How much Bitcoin is on the FTX exchange? So, like, could someone tell me the implications of that? Someone tell me how bad this really is? I mean, it is almost known completely that they're gonna be insolvent, right? It's over for them. We're at the Doquan, don't worry guys, deploying capital stage of this whole thing. Is that where we are, where it's like it's happening but denial, right? But it's like literally happening as I'm speaking to you. You can see it right there, hitting fresh lows every time I'm talking to you, and it's down, you know, still 23%, almost 24% now, right? What's up with that? Why is it like that? Weird. Oh no, what are my charts? That's so weird. Weird, dude. Why is my price scale screwed here? Dang, man. I think it's like screwed up. I don't know. Typical stuff, man. You can't see the price. You can only... Are you kidding me, man? But you can see it here. What's up with that? I'll have to figure this out. This is crazy. 1693. You can at least see the price. Whatever. Where are the settings, man? Look, I'm like hitting the cog and then there's like settings. Oh my God. Boom. Boom. Okay, we got it. We're good now. Sweet. It was, I remember this was the old bug, the old issue. It's like this, there's a certain type of white and it doesn't like show up the way It works because I have, for the watermark and stuff to be behind, I have to do weird stuff. Anyway, so why do we have FTX on both? Let's go back to Bitcoin. Very bad, but still holding. But then you have the rival, right? Funding's up. BNB, this is really bad. I mean, like, holy crap. This is the worst thing that could ever happen to an asset. It doesn't matter what it is. Dude, you get what a spring is and a back test of a spring, right? This is the equal and inverse of that. This is the up thrust back test of up thrust. You flip the chart over. Oh my God, look how perfect it is, man. You can't even make up how beautiful that is. That's so good. It's hard to see, but there's a wick there. All right, there is certainly a wick there. This goes back to daily stuff. Goes all the way back. Look, that high, the high from February 20th, 2021, the first time it was ever created. That's what level was just regarded as resistance. That's so bad. So you would think after something like that, more downside probably. Beautiful though. I mean, like, technically that's beautiful. It's the same thing as what like XRP did to the upside. All right, XRP, not right now, but back here. Like this is like perfect. 32.5 cents, very, very real. I mean, look, you sprung, then you back tested the spring before going higher, right? It's a confirmation low.
Dollarino stock daily and weekly PLS.
What's up, Hageki, man? Yeah, we'll get there. We will get there. Just trying to cover these crashing markets and sprinkling in some education while we're doing it. But we got a FTT on the right side of your screen at all times because it's pretty much what's catalyzing this whole dump, man. This is for sure. It's Luna did the same thing, exact same thing, man. Yep, FTX is doomed. It is doomed, and in seconds we shall see fresh lows. Okay, so the crash stream continues. We're peaking, man.
Sam Bankman-Fried, kinda, was irritating me the past few months. I'm kinda glad this is happening to him. I could tell he was too cocky.
Oh, sounds similar, right, Ricky? Sounds similar to something else. Someone else we know.
TTBBC tipped $26. Hey bitches, tip my brother Mitch more. You can't peekaboo and not pay the piper.
What's up, TTBBC? Thank you for the contribution, the double contribution. You tipped earlier too. The triple contribution. Thank you so much, dude. That's okay, man. That's okay. I mean, you know, it's all good, dude.
I am right now independently, financially independently. I am saying to so many people who say that this is going to be a con artist game, that this was gonna be a scammer game. Hey, you are gonna lose all your money. My wife still doesn't believe in me.
It's true. Thank you, Carlos Matos, for the...
Is that a joint?
No, it's not a joint. It's just FTT crashing. Thanks for the 1,000 plus people tuned in. Thank you for being here. You could be doing anything, but my God, dude. Look at this thing, man. It's at its lows. And remember, there's no support. There's none. I'm telling you, none. No support. Bitcoin's right back at the level 19,650. You don't want to break this. You're going to have a real bad time below. I mean, there's really... What is the only thing that Bitcoin did between 18,650 and 19,650?
Bitcoin
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Rush, for the 420, man. That's right. I would do it, but I've been speaking too much today, so I'd spare you. Okay, I can't really get high pitched like he can, and really loud. It's too late for that, right? It's like, it's almost midnight Eastern, so no screaming. But look, man, between 18,650 and 19,650, it's straight down and up, over and over
Never
and
trust
over.
vegan virgin. SPF deserves to get trapped. Eat the bugs.
Is that a joint?
Is that too loud? Thanks, CZ, for the 420. Well, dude, CZ's watching the stream, man. Oh my god. Dude, follow me on Twitter, bro. 5 a.m. in London. Oh, y'all should be getting up anyway. If you're not up right by now and you're in London, it's 5 a.m. What are you doing, man? You got to work harder than that.
With TA like this, are you sure you're not the composite operator?
What's up, Jeremy, dude? Thanks for the 5, dude. Nah, man. It's cool though, right? Eggs, like, and other people. I mean, there is the identification of the 12-hour bearish divergence, and it's like, it's there. It exists, right? It's there. And I guess it's playing out.
You changing
pretty
my
well.
life, Mitch.
What's up, Lebjeet? Thanks, man. Thanks for the kind words. Thanks for making me smile, man. Dang, dude. That's nice, man. Thank you, dude. Wow. Y'all are really nice. As we all watch the world implode together, right? All right, remember yeah, here we are. We're still just sitting here at that 200 moving average. Lowest price, total market cap seen since October 25th. The lowest lows of the month. Gobble, gobble. FTT fresh lows, chat. Let's go. FTT down 24.5%. 1 quarter. Yeah, that's where we are right now. Wrecked. So will we hold? And look, okay, so remember we were going back and then the TTS came in, blah, blah. So if you don't hold 19,650, oh my God, you know exactly where Bitcoin goes if this doesn't hold. You know exactly, because history tells us, short-term, immediate history tells us. So what does that mean? Unfortunately, if it doesn't hold, it might. I mean, my God, miracles happen, all right? But if it doesn't, 5% downside, $1,000 more to lose fast. And then you got, what was it? Sam Bankman-Fried. Now Fried. I think it's pronounced Fried now. Because his stock's in the gutter. Or the gully. Fresh lows. Down 25.4% right now and falling. Can we just put this more? So, all right, Bitcoin, you're over on the left. You're not the main event right now, Bitcoin. But you're here. We see you. On the left, okay? So here you are. The big crash. Brought to you by CZ. Do you see looking left? Let's zoom in for you. Okay, we know you're crashing. Look, they're not even a like. This is the daily. No, this is the 4-hour. Look, not even anything till 15:45. I mean, you have another probably like 3.5–4% drop before you're gonna see this. It's gonna test it. I mean, at least this or that 1360. But come on, man, let's come on down. I'll plot a horizontal line for you, okay? There you go. Also GTX 82. Are you friends with R2D2? FTT good play maybe. I said this earlier, okay? It was we were like, I think we had broken support and we were all joking about it in general chat, and someone said something about buying and like, yeah, this is a great time to buy, a great time to enter if you want to lose money. And yeah, it's down like, yeah, it was a great area to enter if you wanted to lose money. It's true. It was not financial advice, man. So here it is. Here's Bitcoin just hanging out, 19,650. Monk ass, dude. Major monk ass. Yeah, you gotta wonder. I don't know. I mean, how are like I'm looking at futures right now on my other screen, and all is kind of quiet on the Western Front. For sure, just not really too much going on. No movement. It's like what's happening in crypto is not going on. That's the way it's acting. And we got, yeah, midterms tomorrow. All right, FTT's down 27%. It's getting real. It's getting spicy. Real spicy, dude.
I remember people saying IT will never hit 20k again. BC Elon/Jack will buy it up. Where you guys at? 12k, let's go.
It will never hit 20k again. What? It did hit 20k again. And now it's not. Now maybe, are you saying now it's not going to hit 20k again? Yeah, but this time. That was bad, man. That's
Many are the
not what
strange
you, this is
chances
not
of the
stuff you
world,
want to
and
see.
help off shall come
Like-
from the hands of the weak when the wise falter.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Devana. Thank you, dude. So still watching here. A crash history. And here's Bitcoin trying to break the support. It is breaking it right now, 19,638. This is daily, man. We're looking at the daily time scale. We can look at 4 hour if you want for another candle. It's not much different, is it? We got a flush going on. Something's going on. So yeah, we got, it's just, Ethereum was at a pretty precarious area, right? I mean, like if it was going to reverse anywhere, wouldn't it have been maybe that
At me free,
spot?
what is your target for lowest target for BTC in 1 year time frame?
I don't do 1 year time frames. I'll just tell you one at a time. I mean, there's levels, man. There's supports of resistance. It's like, well, if and market participants, buyers come in, and there's enough of them and it rallies, we know where it could go to the upside and same as downside. I mean, the next immediate support's 18,650. Clearly, undeniably, it's right there. But hey, man, like, what if it holds the level it's at right now? It's at 19,650. But like, yeah, let's say you're probably asking, like, what are the supports below like these levels? This, it's like 17k kind of, but really 14k. 14k has been the area. That's the major area. I'll pull it back up. Just hold on. FTT stays on the right. All right, and then we go to the daily, so you can see on Bitcoin just the levels. And like, yeah, there's a dead cat bounce high at 17,132. It has not been tested, but that's like, it's never been tested, so therefore it may not ever be a support. And that's the case for all of it. I mean, these levels have never been regarded as support, so they may never. I mean, Ethereum, we saw that this summer. There were peaks from 2018 that Ethereum just capitulated through them like they were nothing. So you just got to worry about that. But I'm just thinking, I mean, maybe 17, but probably like the 12.9 to 14k area. But if you were talking about like really strong supports, I mean, you got to be getting down to like 11k. It's like 10 to 12k is like the really strong support resistance areas. And what gives you a stronger support resistance area? What makes it a stronger support resistance? More evidence that it is an inflection point. So like here, you know, around 10, 11k, you've got peak from 2018. You actually have like a valley right here, February 2018. You've got, look at these levels here that were actually held as support briefly, you know, all throughout summer 2019. And then, you know, a peak October 2019. February 2020. Look at all this. I mean, around there, it's like 10k and 10.4. So I mean, that's the strongest support. Everything else is kind of like crap. We're just talking about technicals here, but remember, the one level, you're still technically above it, but you keep breaking it every 10 minutes or so right now. So we're just, you're in jeopardy of losing this support. And yeah, history tells us it's not good. But yeah, lately this summer it's been holding, but just wait,
Do
man.
you adjust supports for inflation? aka last time support was like 11k was 2019. But do you multiply by 1.5 to account for inflation?
No, just look at literal support resistance. Now complicate it. Because like technicals are all about like mass psychology in a lot of ways, where if I'm looking at just the spot price US dollar chart, everyone in the world is too. And that's so like all the big money understands too. That's where they're gonna have their bots set up, their limit buys and stuff like that. That's where support's gonna be. That's where bids are gonna be down here. So I mean, that's the whole thing with like identifying patterns. Like, you know, if you adjust for inflation, maybe it alternates the chart and makes it to where something that was there for everyone else isn't there for you or something. I don't know. Sorry, man. I haven't been able to really look at chat, man. How y'all doing? It's pretty lit in here right now, I do declare. Yeah, it's but we've got some scary stuff happening, man. This is like, you spend wow, do we have a couple weeks of, oh man, we could be okay, and then nah, we got to crash, and it's catalyzed by some scam, you know, like the same thing that happened with Luna. Man, the Luna set it all off. Things just started getting real bad. You gotta wonder if this whole FTT thing starts setting off bombs somewhere else, right? Like, you know, the whole chain reaction, domino effect. I mean, Luna did that, so. Oh man, Doge down 10% now. Oh boy. It was pretty though, wasn't it? It was so pretty. Dang man, it was down like 11, 12% earlier. Wow. Well, thanks for the, what is it? 1,165 people tuned in. Hey, if you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that sub. And if you like what you're watching and you want more of it, here's the Discord link I'm spamming. You should join that. I mean, there's like 14,000 plus of us. It's a really active community too. And I mean, what's better than being connected to like-minded individuals that care about traditional technical analysis like pattern recognition? I mean, market price action. I mean, like, look what we're doing right now. Hey, man, it's midnight. I'm live because the market's crashing. I care about crypto. I care about the markets. But you do too, and you just found me. That's why you join like Discord and stuff, you know. Be connected to that. Uh-oh, FTX having issues with withdrawals. Oh, how the turntables. Crypto Ape, thank you, dude. That's not good though, is it? Anyone else could confirm that? Anyone else do an FTX and can confirm that? Is it not crashing, dude? It is. I mean, FTT, okay, dude, 25% down isn't crashing. I mean, Bitcoin's down 5% almost, and you're at key supports where if you don't hold 19,650, dude, I'm telling you, man, it's another 5% drop real fast because history, that's all it does. The turntables have turned. Ah, yes. I guess that was the continuation. Oh, it's bad, man. It's bad news. Bad news, dude. You gotta hate it for some of the aspiring setups and on the altcoins that can't blame them really. It's just, it's the dude, you know, Sam Fried, whatever his name is, who cares? But yeah, it's like, I don't know, there's a war going on between exchanges. It's really sad, man. So much promise, but not anymore. Let's go to Ethereum, man. You need to go to look at the, I mean, dude, it's just 12-hour bearish divergence. This was it though, man. You know, it's just, go figure, dude. The channel of all channels, right? Hits that supply line again, hits the 200-day simple moving average for the first time since April 5th. And yeah, that's where it reverses. I mean, how about that? How uncanny is that? And guess what? For all the people, I mean, more than you would even think, dude. More people that laughed about the bat. You understand this bat idea is still active. Do you understand that? It still is active, man. This is a valid potential structure until the C point gets taken out. So you ran up, you made a lower high, substantially lower high than the previous high, and now you're selling off, and maybe now you'll test 1,020. Yeah, party is still on for the bullish bat people. It's still there. Don't forget it. All right, Rush Pabs. Putting the FUD to bed, I guess, right? Crypto Ape, do you have anything to say? Because you're being called out, bro. Being called out! Okay, y'all, yeah. Crypto Ape, man. Let's get some Crypto Apes in the chat. Apes in the chat, dude. He's been called. And Bitcoin's breaking support. Oh, man. We're back below the level for now. You know, it could change in seconds, of course. It's been going back and forth for many, many minutes now. Whew. But here it is. This is pinpoint. It was 19,650 and 1 penny. The 2017, December 16th, 2017 cycle top as the candle high close, right? And this is, you're looking at it right here, and this is the price of Bitcoin current day. Did he say something? Here we go, man. Called out again. We're putting him on blast.
I deposited for the tech, bro.
For the tech, bro. I got my Bitcoin, man. I got my FTX, bro. Yeah, so. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. We got a rebuttal. He says, I said withdrawing, not deposits. Not at Mitch. That wasn't at me. That was at you. You've been called at. You've been put on blast, Rush Pabs. We got ourselves a crypto exchange battle going on. Dude, we're breaking support. 19,594, 84, 74. Oh, man. Session lows incoming. Yeah, by the looks of it. And remember, there's nothing here, man. There's nothing here.
Appreciate you being on, brother. Dedication.
So Valley Vet, thanks for the 1776 super American contribution. Be sure to vote tomorrow if you're in the United States of America. You should do it, man, or woman. I normally say or alien in this situation, but I would think that's extremely inappropriate now, right? In this situation. Because of stuff. Okay. Not looking hot. FTT is kind of getting dumpy again. Still down 26.5%. Oh, man. Altcoins starting to smoke a little bit on their descent to earth. GRT down 11%. Matic down 14%. Algo down 10%. Doge down almost 11% now. Sol back at 10% down. Atom down 9.6%. Wrecked. Man, wrecked. That's right. CZ says F around, find out. Friedman. Just waiting on more bearish news stuff to come out to further accelerate these losses. Woo! All right, FTT is at its session lows, down to over 27% now. 1540, where that little 4-hour peak we had identified, plotted. It is upon ye. Okay, Crypto Ape, calling rush out again. Why would they not take your cash? Why would they not take it? I don't know, man. That's a good question. Hold on a second, my music stopped, so getting a little weird in here. I gotta go ahead and obligatory. I think we're good. Nasty, dude. About to be down 28%. Bitcoin's down over 5% now and falling. Dollar cost average right now. That's the way you meant it to be said, right? I think it did okay with that. So I don't know, is this another like Mashinsky type situation, Doquan, where like if you had your money in FTX, it's over? Like it's gonna be seized? Okay. We're continuing to fall. I guess we'll pull up the 60-minute on this for the Earth boys. Not the Moon boys, but the Earth boys. I need more candles, man. There's something about it. I need more candles.
FTX deposit level 9,000. Max hodl, I welcome my big overlords.
All right, Rush Pabs is DCAing into FTT.
Long time lurker. First time caller. From house. Hope your kitchen is alright from the water, bro. Flexed biceps.
Thank you, Busy. Well, just to be candid, it's not. It's not okay. It's actually terrible. Thank you, dude, for the contribution. But, coming from Straya, man, oh God, we got some bids coming in. All right, finally, is the selling finally stopped, chat? But, yeah, man, I'm on. It could be worse, Fortunately, I mean, this upstairs was unaffected. Imagine that happening in here, How awful that'd be. Yeah. So, got to be a little bit grateful, I guess. Sorry, man. Things are lit. There's a lot going on. The total market cap is attempting to break the 200 moving average on the 4-hour. Off the lows just a little bit. But dang, man, that is just crazy 886 stuff, man. And it's kind of interesting. One peak, the second peak, then the third peak. 1, 2, 3. Kind of like a pseudo bearish 3 drives pattern. It's like that type of behavior. Oh, bad news, Chad. FTT is already back in the red. They got you, dude. Maximum re. The vision was to just get rich, dude. No, that was it. Just to get rich. But using that initial vision, that was the way they got everyone's money, bro. That was the scam. We're gonna change the world.
The cipher at around $18,850 on one day starting at October 13th.
Yeah, well, I'm not concerned about it, man. This type of behavior, this price action, man, like 18,850. You've been there. You've been hanging out there. You know what? Like buyers defended 18,850, and guess what? It was so pathetic. All it could do was run up to $21,500 and then collapse, and then run all the way back down to 18,650, 850, whatever. No way, man. I don't buy it. This is just awful. I don't even know what midterms are gonna do. God, this market is just completely schizo, dude. Dude, I'm like getting thirsty, man. I need to like get a water or something. I did not expect like any of this. Hold on, my water's right here. Hold on. Whoa, fresh lows, FTT. Fresh lows, man. Looking at S coins makes me thirsty. Always thirsty, man. Yeah, great times, man. Great times. Where'd the music go? Let's keep it dumping. Keep it dumping. We're down 28.5% right now. If we want to see, then the only level that would make any sense for any kind of price action correlation, you'd be down 30%. Music bed. Talking about my car bed. Yeah, dude, I have a car bed with a CB radio. And I talk to other car beds. Look, Jimmy, you must have inhaled all the helium from those balloons to be saying that. Yeah, dude, Jimmy huffing balloons. Saying Bitcoin's mooning now. Yeah, dude. All right, FTT, fresh lows, down about 29%, a little over that.
The lottery
What
was
happened,
created
man?
by the government to catch illegal time travelers.
What's going on?
Hence the delay of our rigging.
Sorry, my Bose thing just turned off for a sec. Conrad, thank you, dude. There you go. Conrad gets it, of course. Yep. Probably what we're dealing with. Time travelers. CJ, what's up, man? Oh, yeah? Did you ping me, man? Oh, yeah. Sure. Sure, dude. I'll cede you that. $596 billion market cap? Sure. Yeah.
Missed the
Absolutely.
stream earlier. Are we wrecked or what? Pop a sip of the eagle so we can fly a tad before we hit zero.
It's too early, man. I'm exhausted, man. It's been a long day, Derek, dude. We'll do it probably later in the week, man. I don't know, like it's midnight. Just not a good day, but it'll happen, all right? I swear. Maybe this weekend, maybe like Friday stream. We'll pop it all out and let it loose like we did last Friday. Probably be good. What are you talking about? Amateur hour. I don't know, man. Amateur hour, right? Bitcoin's at a... Hey, dude, where is it? Where is it, man? The heliums. Jim E. Bitcoin mooning now. Is the moon in the room with us right now?
Thanks for streaming, my dude. Any thoughts on DXY?
Yeah, moon probably. Probably moon. Look, man, we can't go anywhere. We're stuck here, dude. We're stuck because we're at session lows. All right? Oh, my God. Do you want to see how nasty this is? Look at this, man. Do you really, really?
I like turtles.
There's bears out here. There's bears out here.
Price gonna dip.
All right? Do you see this? We're at the lowest lows right now. Total's like crashing, man. Total market cap down 6% right now. What's it down? $57 billion and falling. Bitcoin's at its lows. FTT's falling below that 1540 level. Chat, we got a crash
Pulled
on
out
our
just
hands.
in time. Pathetic scam schizo loser market 0.033300000 ETH.
Thanks so much. Thank you so much, Unlikely Futures, for the 4830 of ETH that is now getting wrecked. Everything's getting wrecked. Oh my God. We're at session lows every time I'm speaking now. There it is again, 19,400. Remember, below 19,650. There's nothing there till 18,650. Legit. You just look right here. This says it. It's a down, up, down, up. That's all it does. That's all the price action is. So if it doesn't do it, wow. Special this time. Whew. So yeah, man, it's rough. It's nasty stuff. You got altcoins dumping. Matic's down now 15%. GRT's 12%. And, you know, you have multiple double-digit losers percentage-wise. Uni's now in that category. KSM's KNC, Shiba Inu now down 10%. You got markets melting down. And futures, stock futures, still continuing to bleed a little bit, but nothing like what we're seeing on crypto right now. Not even close. It's a bull market compared to what's happening to crypto right now. Ugh.
But there is bullish divergence on Bitcoin on the 1-minute chart. Moon time, bruh, trust me.
What?
Bruh.
All right, Hopium, all in. Thank you, dude. Thank you for alerting us to the 1 minute. It probably isn't even, you know. Hey, remember that beginning of the stream today? What pattern? Smiley face. That's right. What was the chat? What was the pattern on Bitcoin? Mother, should this just be an NFT? Right? Should we just NFT this? Because that was perfect. Unbelievably perfect. Let's go, man. 19,420. Bitcoin's almost at session lows again. That really was,
just
right?
Just went on SafeMoon with my ultra-fast deposit on FTX. I don't know what everyone is going on about. Nothing to see here. This is fine.
Is that a joint?
That is a joint, dude. Yeah. That's certainly a joint. Thank you, man, for going all in for science and for the technology. Wow, crazy times, man. Crazy times we live in, you know, where so many bears out here, and I don't know, dude. We're just like right here. We're just pause. Just a big deep breath. I mean, 19.4. Got the biggest crypto in the world, almost down 6% right now. Yeah, it's starting to get really bad for these altcoins. Most of them now are so many of them are now down 10% plus. Ethereum's now down 8% and falling. Let's switch to that just for a moment so you can see the carnage. 1420 is coming in hot. Oh, good God, man. Good God. That bearish divergence on the 12-hour. Bitcoin and Ethereum. I believe maybe BNB 2. Brutal. Let's just have an alert set up at 1420 so we can ask Elon. Is that a joint? Oh, man. One, two, three. 3 peaks. 3 peaks, man. Yeah, it's ugly, dude, right? It's like on this one, the RSI was beautiful bearish divergence, you know? And then it was so bad that it didn't even show positive momentum on the higher high, you know? And Bitcoin did show just a little bit of positive momo, so it was just Class A plus bearish divergence on Ethereum. This is what we know. Below 1420 equals 1260 to 1223. That's it. So you're now at a major inflection point. You better hold it. Pretty nasty, man. If you look at the 60-minute, you can maybe see what's happening. A little bit more stuff happening here, where that 19,650 on the 60-minute, you had a bearish breakdown on the last candle, and on this candle, you are now successfully, for now, you got 30 minutes, so I could reverse and go green, right? I mean, close above 19,891. I'm saying, like, for now, you're seeing, like, the correlation of price action to that level from 2017. It's a bearish back test. It's attempting a bearish back test for now. So that's not good. That's not really what you're looking for, right?
Another crash. It's not over till the turntable era is. Thanks for always being around. It's inspiring.
Era. Thanks, dude. Wait, that's a turntable, kind of, right?
Is that a joint?
It's both. Thanks, man. We got some wild times. But I am grateful that we're doing it together. We're witnessing all this carnage together. It's brutal. Oh, that's so incredible. Such a rare occurrence, man. And when it plays out like that, it's just... Do we have the sound clip for it? Maybe. No, I don't know why I never put this on my stream deck. It's crazy, dude.
Do you have the Squid Game token live streamer sound clip?
No, I don't, but maybe I should. Thank you, Anonymous.
Is that a joint?
DA respected.
There you go. There's your sound clip for the falling 3 methods. Imagine if it was like that. Just imagine, man. I wish we could find a Ryzen 3 methods. Halt trading? What are you talking about, halt trading, dude? There's no halting of trading in crypto. That's crazy talk. Yeah, Bitcoin's off its lows now. Okay, things starting to settle down a little bit. A little breather. You got a little break from the action. Total, if you want to look at it real quick. Tough luck. It's not going to be quick. I have to click everything now. Here you go. You've reached the 200 moving average. You're well off your lows now a little bit. So yeah, just change the colors of the candles, invert them, and then flip the chart over, and then you're solid. Yeah, I know, right? That could be really bad, dude. Imagine getting on someone's trading view and doing that to their charts as like a prank. They're like, dude, this thing's like so ready to moon, and then they long. That'd be crazy. Okay, FTT back to getting wrecked again. It was breaking that 1540. It's down over 30% right now.
If you like that falling 3 methods on Bitcoin 4 hour, check out the 2 week, 14 days ago, 0.012480000 ETH.
Mr. Go, what's up, dude? Thanks for the 18.
How to call the top. When a crypto YouTuber crashed his one-day-old Bugatti in Dubai, hit the sell button.
Is that true? Did that happen, man? I'm not hip with it, man. If that happened. Dang. I don't know. This request of looking at Bitcoin on the 2 week. The 2 week chart, man. 2 weeks fine. For now, right? Well, I mean, it could turn into... Yeah, this is what he's saying. This is what he's talking about. There's a red candle, then there are 3 green candles. And just only if this 2 week candle, which you have 12 days, 19 hours, if this candle ever closed below 18.8, you would have, for real, a 2 week large, or a 2 week pattern falling 3 methods. Yeah, that would be possibly maybe the most legendary falling 3 methods we've ever seen. It takes you to 13K. Wow. Luna Classic boys about to FOMO into FTT and become FTT boys. Probably, man. They're out there. Bro, we can't get any lower, man. It's definitely gonna bounce this time. Yeah, it's going to make me thirsty, man. All right. So things have just like relaxed a little bit. But thanks for the nearly 1,400 people tuned in. I appreciate it. Just monitoring the markets, the prices at key levels. While Bitcoin is breaking a key level, and it's really not good. I mean, this is not what you were looking for a reversal. Not at all, man. It's not good. It was bad all over the place, man. Poor XLM's doomed, man. You kind of knew this one was coming. The way it like played out already before everything else, and then just kept a base of buying and just kept making lower highs and rejecting 200 moving. It's like you knew this was probably coming on XLM. So this one's really not that surprising. Just coming down to 10 cents again. But what happens if 10 cents doesn't hold this time? I think the party might be over. I don't know. That's just bad. Cardano. Oh man, Cardano's cooked, dude. It's cooked. All right, it's below the 2018 high. Back below it. Very, very real hidden bearish divergence. With the high, then the much lower high with extremely higher levels of positive momentum and relative strength. Yeah, there you go, dude. It's like this was the worst one. Fresh lows will be upon thee soon. No, I don't think Cardano is going to come back after it hits 12 cents at some point in the nearest future. All right. And we go to just back to total for a moment to stare in the glory of the 886, the 886, the 886. Amen. So really below 959, you know, it's normally 840. It's been 840 a couple other times. Well, I mean, this time is it gonna just not do the 840? Yeah, people were talking about a bullish 5-0, but you don't have very good market conditions for that. All right, Bitcoin's right back in 19,650, so rejoice. What kind of percentage move is that? 2% maybe? A 1.67% rally on Bitcoin from the lows at this point, and back above the 2017 cycle top by like $10. Wow, crazy. Sorry, man. This is legitimately my third live stream today. This is a 3 a day. Wow. I'm getting a little loopy over here, you know. All right, Universe Codes, do your thing, man. Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. Disappointing everywhere, man. Look how bad mana is. It's like, remember what was once a support resistance just became resistance again, and you really confirmed the top. Oh, mana. 48.9 cents incoming on this thing. Like, why not? It's pretty brutal here. I think some are better than others, but that's some disappointing price action all around, man. The fact that BNB even did the bearish back test back inside the inflection zone, that's so ugly, man. Like right here, it's perfect technically. It's beautiful. It's the up thrust, the back test up thrust, but look where you are now. You know, this being the daily chart too. And it wasn't even showing bearish divergence. Just going with the macro. I don't know, man. And then the futures are fine. Nothing going on with the futures. Dang, dude, is hog futures up 5% today? Coffee, no. Lumber futures up. So we're just kind of looking around, man. Let's see. Let's go to that DXY, you know? DXY, still, it's like kind of like three falling peaks stuff, right? But look at it rallying and holding this 110 level. I mean, this is definitely an area. I mean, this is one where it's just like a channel that goes back to 2009. Look at this, you know, 2009 and then 2015 and then 2016 and now 2022. That's I mean, that's a very real like upsloping resistance that it tested twice and failed. But it's just like, just because that's happened, it's overbought in an uptrend. It's still not even making a lower low like locally. It's just still so strong up here and holding. I'm just, for now anyway. So that's what's going on with the DXY. Yeah, it's kind of like bullish consolidation still in a parabolic uptrend. And you kind of have like the equal and opposite going on. The you know, grip rim pounds and the euro and everything else just about. Grip rim pounds still trying to hang in there, man. Some weird upsloping consolidation like this. It's getting back above a key level from March 2020 though. That's a pretty big deal, I guess, technically. Anyway, FTT is still down 30%, if you didn't know. Yeah, that capitulation, man, in late September.
Did you look at Dollarino yet? Daily and weekly time scale I requested a while ago. It's okay, you are in the zone. Bad time to request my B.
No, I don't think I did, man. Did not. You know, we got 1,300 people here. We're all a little concerned about the current market conditions. You know, and it's my third live stream today, so I'm kind of just trying to like keep it together. All right, keep it together. Monitoring the live markets, you know. Yeah, man, not good. Not good. If you don't know, if you're just tuning in, the FTX token is right here. That's what's right, like, you know, on the right, the center of your screen, kind of. And then everything else is on the left that we'll be looking at, you know, like when we switch around. So 1420 is a target on Ethereum. If that doesn't hold, 1223 to 1260. Just looking left. The level, the peaks that were put in June and July of this year. Shiba heading to the 1,000 mark. 1,000. Could not break the 200 moving average. Could not break 1,300.
Thank you for always being here for all of us.
Sorry, I had to turn my audio up way too loud on my side. What's up, Derek, man? Thanks for the 20, dude. Yeah, thank you for contributing to the 100% crowdsourced stream. Thank you, dude. Because it's like, I mean, you're the sponsor. Y'all are the sponsors. The viewers. And that's it. No one else. Yeah, I mean, you're asking some random dude on the internet what to do with your crypto holdings, man. I think you should reevaluate your thing, you know, your thinking maybe. You know, I wouldn't own Sol at all. The thing going offline like it does, I'm just not interested. I think Sol's probably going to $20. Probably, but you know, whatever. We've been saying that for many months. What the? Oh my god, I just got hacked, bro. Did I just get like DDoS or something, man? Should be back. Just hit refresh or something. I'm here. But yeah, all my internet went out. It said I was offline on YouTube and my kilobytes per second went to 0. But now I'm back. I guess I'm back, man. If I'm back, say something. Sam Bankman fried. DDoS, man. So that's, y'all kind of just did the
Hype in the chat!
2 more likes would be destroyed. You were talking about Soul? Please continue. Being prompted to continue to talk about Soul. Yeah, dude, Soul's bad. It's like, really? You're going to create an M shape and you're going to react and you're now going to be hitting the lowest lows of the entire bear trend? That's Soul. Lowest price since July 2021. $20 target. $20. Holla for $20. That's it, man. That's that, dude. Again, that was like the case when it initially was breaking $48, $50. $20 was the target. And we like caught flat because it didn't hit 20. It, like to think some scrub out there thought it was going to do anything besides just back test these levels as resistance and roll over again. I mean, come on, dude. It's Soul. It's awful. 20 bucks, 18 bucks maybe if you're lucky too. 18 bucks is like the peak from February 2021, you know. So here you go. That's the level. That's the target. Oh, thank you for the welcomes. Thank you, dude. I'm looking at futures. They're fine. Nothing's even happened. It's like no problems. Like if you really want to see it, it's legit. Like almost like the market's closed. Look at it. Now what's sad? Uh-oh, dude. This is the daily. This little supply line here. Uh-oh. You've had an up thrust. Are you back test? Don't you dare tell me you're back testing the up thrust. That would be insane, wouldn't it? If it reverses here.
Is that an inverted head and shoulders on silver's weekly since July this year? If so, what are the targets if it were to play out? Thanks, kind sir. Appreciate you being here with us.
What's up, Rex City? Let me, I'm gonna have to look at these other assets before a riot happens. Let's see. Was there an actual formal request? Well, we looked at DXY. Don't know here. I'm checking my notes. Check my notes here. A little sluggish, dude. All right. Slowing down, man. It's been a long day. A lot of things going on. Okay, I think we're good to look at Ingo or something. That's just, I mean, I don't know. Bitcoin's still at 19,650, okay? I'm watching it. I'm monitoring it. It's like pretty much like, you know, there's like a huge storm, right? And there was a tornado warning for a certain area, and then the warning just expired. But there's still terrible storms going on everywhere, and a tornado warning could be issued at any time. That's the way I kind of feel about where we are right now. God, okay, hold on. What is this thing you want to see while we don't have any tornado warnings? My God. Where is it, man? Did you look at this? Eno Pharmaceuticals, dude. Yeah, it looks like crazy. It looks insane, kind of, right? I mean, yeah, you're right. This is at a crazy level, isn't it? You're right, man. I will definitely give you this, okay? Definitely going to give you this. This is pretty insane. Let me show you this chart real quick, okay? This is INO, pharmaceutical company. Look where it's at. This low from 2019. Does it go anywhere back? Oh, my God. Like, are you kidding me, dude? All these levels? Holy crap. Look at that. Going back to 2008 and 9 and... Look at this, like 1, 2, 3 valleys, and then the fourth one. Look at this, and look where it went at. Oh, dude, this is incredible. What a nice chart, dude. If history repeats itself, you see where it could go, what it's done multiple times. Look at this. I mean, chat, I know you're here for the crypto, but look at this on a stock. I mean, this is what you're looking for on a crypto too at key levels. Look at the price action, and what does it do after it holds that level successfully? Well, look what it's doing right now. Look what it's really trying to do right now. It is very impressive looking chart, very intriguing. Okay, that's some solid stuff, Larry. Okay, INO. Just pay attention if you're watching the stream. I don't know. There's still over 1,100 people here. Do you care? I mean, I hope you care. This is serious educational stuff that, I mean, even if you don't care about stocks, I mean, you can apply this to crypto, and it's incredible. All right, these are good things. Great things to identify low-risk areas, easy to strategize longs, and take shots. All right, back to Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin, right at it, man. Sorry, just reading a little bit. I haven't had much time to like read chat because we've just been going. I've been live for an hour and a half. Are you kidding me? An hour and a half? What happened? Seriously, what happened? Where did time go? Yeah, that's crazy. I was talking about Soul and then get doxxed by Sam. But then we proceeded to continue to talk crap about it. FTT will be a huge player, man. Wow. Quote of the night. Look, dude, I see all you peoples that came in, all right, tonight. Y'all join the Discord, but there are other people in here that have not joined the Discord. I don't know why you would not join the Discord. You get notified when I go live every day, or when I'm going live at random times and YouTube notifications fail. You want to be alerted, because you will be alerted in the Discord 100% of the time, every time, if you have notifications turned on, of course. So, again, spamming that link. We have educational resources, like, and you know, if you're wanting to get your toes wet in traditional technical analysis, to learn about supports, resistances, trends, Fibonacci, harmonics, pattern development, right? Japanese candlesticks, all that. That's in the Discord. So under the educational resources tab, just to get you steered in the right direction, you know. Use case, bro. You can't see it now, bro. Dude, it's so funny, man. Chat's lit as F. Prod, you must be my neighbor, man. It didn't even, there's no way it went out either. Like, because internet doesn't just do that, right? Internet, if it goes out, man, for like minutes, not seconds, right? It's crazy, man. All right. We got some people joining. I'm here. I'll do a wave to y'all. Here, I'll do a little Pepe wave. There you go. So, dude, this is like where we are. It's like you're holding your breath right now. You know it's not a joke. You know it, in fact, is an actual level that is like crazy important. Here it is, man. Remember the date? December 16th, 2017? Remember? The highest daily candle close ever, man. And Bitcoin's never going down. It's going to keep going, man. I swear. I know. It'll never stop. that day. Well, that's where we are now. That's what you're testing. It's what you were breaking for a little while, but you recovered some. And you're slightly above it right now. Full moons, dude. I mean, it's full moon. We got a blood moon, right? We got what, the last blood moon till 2025. Is that what the word was? Is that real? Could someone back that up for me? But the eclipse will be coming at, like, I believe, what is it? It's like 5 a.m. 6 a.m. Eastern. Maybe it's like 5 a.m. Eastern, 4 a.m. Central or something. Someone back me up on that. 2 hours, 10 minutes till the eclipse. I thought it was later. It's got to be later for where we are. 5 more hours for East Coast Australia. What? So I'm confused. If I live in the southeast of the United States, when is it happening? Has there ever been a Powerball delayed in the drawing? Has that ever happened? So totality is after 5 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, that's what I had read. Something like that. Boom. We got a ways to go. No way I'm going to stay up for that. God. And chances are maybe I won't wake up for it either. It's been a long day, man. And we're just waiting on the selling that stalled out a little bit. It's still bad. Still bad right now. That's right, Tom Joe. James Spann, the man I trust. Eclipse duration's almost 6 hours. That's insane, man. It's a long one. Is it always like that? I don't think so. So 19,700. Bitcoin's gonna be okay, I guess, man. I guess support's gonna hold and we're gonna moon. What's gonna happen in midterm, man? Are the conservatives gonna take back over? Or are the Democrats gonna somehow pull it out? I mean, they got some pretty good policies, don't they? They're running on some good things. That's what I heard, right? I don't know. They don't tell you these things on the charts, man, so take your word for it. Oh, yeah, I know, man. Happened fast. That 12-hour bearish divergence was pretty solid, man, in the end, right? It's the 12-hour, the divergence. Look at this. It was so pretty. I mean, it was so real. Like, it was just there. It's like, yeah, that's definitely bearish divergence on the 12-hour. Okay. And it's definitely playing out. You're now on the 12-hour in the bearish control zone. Yikes. Man, what's really concerning is just the sheer fact that this completely rejected again. I mean, that's what really happened, dude. Yeah, maybe you broke. It doesn't matter if you broke through it, you broke above it for a moment. It's just doing exactly what it did. I mean, this is the same thing as
should I buy
here
Powerball or
and
FTT?
here.
Asking for a friend.
Wow, man, that's a tough situation. Probably Powerball, because you can only lose what you put in, I guess. Like, you'll buy the ticket and that's it. You lose, okay. And the FTT, you buy some coins, and well, it's 15.58, and now it's $5 tomorrow. Well, I don't know, man. But you could win $2 billion,
Does
dude.
the wheel talk at this point? Just trying to keep you hanging.
Does the wheels work? I don't know. I was told earlier to open the Eagle I've got. Asking about the wheel. Dude, it's 1 a.m. Eastern, bro. You know? So late. I don't know, man. I'm not really convinced. I've already been live at almost 2 hours, too. It's not even like the beginning of the stream. It's just such bad market conditions for drinking alcohol. I mean, I could spin, but I could owe if it landed on Chug, and we could say, you know, I paid my debts. So it was like, we could do it, you know, and you just, I owe, and we know I owe. I mean, make sure the mods, you know, I'll do it for you. So if you hit Chug here, my God, dude, wow. Mods drink anyway. Mods owe drinks when it's time. At a time and place of my choosing, of course. So I just say this, man. That's the worst. This is terrible. You cannot do this, man. You can't be doing this to 200 moving averages that are significant. Member, dude. Member. Holy good God. You can't do this, man. Okay, remember, cautiously optimistic till below 19,650, then it's not. Then you're bearish again, pretty much. Like, screw this. And yeah, I know people point out like one high, a second high, then a third high, and just lower highs, man. Below 2017 cycle top levels. Oh my, just. Well, that was a good try. Good try, Bulls. Actually, it was a terrible try. That was awful, man. Well, let's just consolidate like this for 2 months. And then just to collapse. Pretty rough. We did it, man. We did it. We didn't hold. I don't mean like you're not holding. Like you're at 19,660. That's like just added again. This is just. Whew. You'll need a miracle, man. Oh, the right angle ascending broadening formation still there. Yeah, sure. Sure. Valid partial rise. Still valid. I got. Yeah, I mean, remember there's two arguments, the bearish and the bullish. I mean, there you have it. That type of price, it's just so bad. What are you doing, man? You can't be just collapsing. But, I mean, I guess you're technically still alive till you'll break 18,650. I mean, in 14K was kind of the target anyway, even if you went to 28K first. I mean, dude, it's just like long-term downtrend. You get a 28K, you're still in that long-term downtrend. If you can't even break 22K, you're still in that long-term downtrend. You just are in a bearish market long-term. But it's like, hey, these harmonics can develop and they can play out and they can stall out and they dump after making lower highs than the previous highs, and then they go lower later. But this one's starting to act like maybe it wants to go lower sooner rather than later. Starting to get delusional, man. I'm getting tired. Getting tired, dude. 3 live streams. When was the last time I did 3 live streams in a day? It's been a minute, man. It's been a long time. So at least empathize with my fatigue. All right. Hey, man. A lot of people joining Discord tonight. Thank you all for joining. Again, here's the link. Tails, that's a great question, man. I was thinking about that, you know. I was thinking about that, dude. So you know, just FTX on 60 minutes, just hanging in there for now. Believe me, man. It's like I can't be here all night, but guess what? This thing's probably gonna dump all night, long after I've succumbed to fatigue and must retire for the evening. Yeah. Well, look at silver, dude. Of course. Yeah. Well, look, here it is. I mean, I just look at kind of like, you know, it's like a spring back test a couple times, and I made this. I compared silver to Ethereum today, where all you do is you look at the low, the lowest low, and then you see the two lows that are higher than the previous low, and then you go back to Ethereum from early this summer, the exact same price action, where you made the low and then you made the two higher lows, so you confirmed accumulation. And silver's doing very, very similar, if not identical, stuff to Ethereum from this summer, right? So that's kind of where you are. But you said something about inverse head and shoulders further out. I don't know, man. Yeah, you're talking about left shoulder, head right. It could be. I mean, yeah, it very well could be. I mean, like someone could definitely interpret this like a potential inverse head and shoulders, kind of looking at like a rectangle and stuff. You're at the top of a range, you know. I mean, if you broke it, $23 probably would be the target, close to like a measured move anyway. So that's it so far. Yeah, you got something going on like that. There was hidden bullish divergence in the second low too. All right, 19.7. So just have your alert set up. Understand, like, if there's follow through below 19.650, you're in a lot of trouble here, man. Lots of trouble. Yeah, it's like we've already been through like a year of this, man. It's pretty rough. And can you imagine another year of this, which seems very possible? Yeah, it's pretty rough, man. We're just like hanging out, man, while like the dumping that was happening in real time kind of stalled out, and so we're just like kind of waiting a little bit. But I'm like thirsty, and I have to go downstairs to get water. I could get a Pellegrino. I've got like one left, I think. But look, you know, your 60-minute chart on FTT on your right. You know this isn't gonna hold for very long. Nah, dude, 2022. A year that can just go F itself. Oh. What's up? Oh my god, Gilgamesh joined the server, man. It's Gilgamesh, chat. Your total, man. Just still slightly above that 200. So what's gonna happen, Crushing Crypto? Fully diluted market cap's almost 7 billion, and Alameda is 4 billion. With SRM as an asset. So what are you trying to say, man? What are you saying? You saying to just stick around for 5 more minutes, man? God, the 886 is so amazing. $700 million for the naming rights. Wait, isn't that FTX? No, that was the other one, right? Crypto.com. Oh my God. No. But FTX Arena in Miami, how much did they spend on that? Please tell me. Tell me why Sol is so crazy. It's awful, dude. It's just plain awful. 300 million? God. All that money, man, that came from people like putting their money into it, and then it's not coming back to them. It's just not. Like, here, we're going to spend all your money on marketing, and we're going to pocket a lot for ourselves, and that's it. That's the project. We did it, man. We win, right? This is it. This is success. Yep. Here are the after effects of that success, chat. It's wonderful. Yeah, Sol is down like 12%. It's going to 20 bucks, man, 18 bucks, and then it's probably too expensive. And probably got to $12.50, then $5 after that. This probably will see $5 in a 6-month period. Sol, dude. First Luna, then Sol, then FTX, man. What next? Still thinking like that back door. I'm thinking Tron, man. Right? Tron and US whatever. UST. USDD, whatever, you know. It'll have its day. I just think the communist Chinese government probably propping it up. Since they own it. Yep. Get wrecked everything. Yeah, library lost the to the SEC. Yep, they lost in the SEC championship game. Oh, Bitcoin can go lower than you're going to be able to dream of. I'll just tell you that right now. Look, man, cautious optimism until you fall below a certain level, and when we're falling below that certain level, so the cautious optimism's melting away. Do you get how it works? Do you understand the levels? That's important. Bitcoin's, your cautious optimism is in certain jeopardy, and it's probably going to break. I look at it. If it holds, that's the dream. Unreal. We're still cautiously optimistic. If it holds and you rally in the coming days, whatever, but below this level, you gotta be really careful, man. I would not be wanting to mess around with Bitcoin below 19,650. That's the cutoff for me, man. That's like, I get there's an 886 down here too, but I'm looking at history and I know just like it was up here, man. Yeah, though a couple times, you know, you were not quite going to the next level, you would hold, you'd rally, but man, you'd fall one more time back below that inflection point, and these levels were disregarded the last time. You went straight down, and that's what I fear right here. These levels are just, if we start dumping, man, these levels are just going to get completely disregarded. They're not even going to exist. It's going to be straight down, man. Let the price action dictate what your sentiment is, where you feel like above a level, maybe. Or above a level, maybe. Below it, definitely nah. No way, man. Ugh. Not taking my money. No way. Not below 19,650. No way. I know what I'm saying. Like, look, we're looking at the daily, and I'm talking about, like, you know, candle closes, and then we catch follow through in the coming days. or today, right? We're really starting to break it. I'm not talking about it's testing it and might hold and might put in another higher low and then we run later. I'm talking, you know, gotta get a little bit of confirmation here that this level's breaking for real. You did get it, I believe. Oh, you didn't even get it on the 60-minute yet, but I think you will. Like, look at it. See what it's doing on the 60? It broke it and now closed above it again, and here you are just sitting at it. It's just like, what you doing, Bitcoin? Sorry, just reading a little bit. There's a lot of chat. So, just kind of, my day is over. Like, okay, this is bonus time. I'm trying to stay awake here. It would be pathetic if this breaks, but again, this was like all, you know, just I was on Miss Teen Crypto stream, and it's like, you know, her thumbnail is talking about Bitcoin about to blast off, and it's like asking me the question. It's like, dude, I mean, we're identifying a bullish harmonic that has completed and rallied somewhat off its lows off the PCZ, but that's it. And it's like cautiously optimistic, but the macro is so bad. Things like, right? The macro is so bad, and then all of a sudden it's just like, you know, this whole insolvency with FTX and CZ selling, all this stuff. Okay, great. That's what exactly why we're not bullish. You were just cautiously optimistic till you fell below 19,650, and we're here. It's the sound clip, right? It's really more like
and then just like that,
we're at those levels we talk about are the cutoff for us. Like below those levels are really bad. Okay, FTT starting to dump again a little bit, testing that 1540 area. That one little scrub 4-hour peak that we plotted just for fun, you know. We got enjoyment out of plotting it. Passionate plotting. Everybody says this, everybody says that. Jim Cramer says this, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's like everyone says different, up, down, up. You can only say up and you can only say down. You can say sideways too. Wow, 600 likes. Let's go, dude, for a part 3 stream. Man, let's go. Pump them. All right, your 60-minute. Bitcoin's holding again, dudes. It's holding the level for now. But how long will it sustain it, or will it, you know? I think we're already kind of in stagflation, right? Okay, so everything's holding. I guess we're gonna be, but that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, this could be a formal back test at some point. You just don't know, man. But I'm just saying, where you are, you better be cognizant. You better be aware and have your alert set up and protect yourself. So the 60-minute pin bar, I guess, is holding for now. It definitely is clown world. Yeah, we live in clown world for sure. No one's going to argue with that here. I think there's been consolidation of elite power for way too long, and they have, through that consolidation, they have amassed far too much power in their ability to control narratives and to push things and control public discourse. And it is rather magnificent seeing what Elon Musk did. He saw that and he bought Twitter for $44 billion or whatever. And that's kind of like Elon being like the Gandalf. He is the Gandalf, man, of like sanity and just normal, and everyone gets what's going on. Like so many millions of people get what's going on around the West, what's happening, and he's trying to help a little bit, right? Trying to push us in the right direction. Dang, man. I think we picked up like 100 subs today. Let's go. Really appreciate all the new faces. Okay. And if you're a new face, remember, just join the Discord. I'm infrequently posting that throughout the stream. It's important to get in there because, you know, I do this stuff all the time, right? I live stream every day for 5 years now. I've been doing this. So it's like we have like an extremely powerful core community. But yeah, you get notified when I go live. So in the Discord, YouTube will fail. Like, you know, it'll be like a stream like this and you won't know I'm live and you'll miss it. And you'll be like, and you'll get notified when the stream ends. I'm not even kidding. It'll do that sometimes. So just hanging on by a thread, man, but I wouldn't, it's just, I mean, this is a back test. I mean, this stuff happens. Back tests do happen, man. I'm just talking about, if you know the technicals, this is as kind of scary as it gets right here. I think, anyway, this to me, and maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I've been wrong this whole time that 19650, 19891 is extremely important, you know, but that's just what I think. So, we'll see. Starting a bug farm? Yeah, dude. Well, the people that, well, you know, the way things have been going, I mean, the way the elites and the powers that have consolidated and taken control of all institutions in the West, I mean, the next generation will eat the bugs for sure. They'll make sure from the womb, you know, they'll be conditioning those kids, you know, if we were going to continue down the path. I mean, I really think Elon buying Twitter was like a really big, profound, like, you know, kind of wrench in the cog for what they were trying to do at really good timing. Because who knows what they were going to try to do with Twitter for the midterms, you know? It would have been, I mean, who knows, or it would have just been exactly what they did in the past on everything. All right, well, I'm gonna leave you all at that, okay? It was a little crazy when we were getting in here initially, right? And it's calmed down some, and I'm gonna wind down and retire for the evening. I gotta go walk to my presidential suite. I know it's pretty much like I'm, you know, homeless, but just so I can get some rest, and then we can do it all again tomorrow, you know. That's what it's all about. Day in, day out, we'll be here. So good luck, FTT, on holding the fruit fly support. Bitcoin a little bit stronger than a fruit fly. It should be, right? But can't someone walk for me? No, I don't have a butler yet. I'm waiting for the bull market. I mean, I could hire a butler, sure, you know, stay-at-home chef too, but not right now. My God, what's the point? All right. I'll try to give it a little while, you know, but it's still just kind of hanging in there, and I'm sure as soon as I leave, it's going to start dumping again, right? Where would I take her? Line dancing? Oh, dude. Oh, yeah, like I know all the line dancing places. I've memorized them. That's it. That's the stream. That is the stream, okay? And thanks for everyone who's tuned in. Thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Y'all are amazing. Pray for Bitcoin, pray for 19,650 holding, otherwise it's going to be a crypto winter. So I'll be back. Until next time, respect the T. Hey.